adjust करना है
RSVP करो ये बताओ किसने RSVP नहीं किया आउट कर सकता है
like
अटेंडेंस फॉर्म नहीं करा
जिसका आपने RSVP नहीं किया है तो अभी कर दो RSVP
अटेंडेंस फॉर्म जो था
लोग अटेंडेंस के लिए तुम लोग RSVP कर देना
अभी कर
please keep the front row empty front row empty
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
Hey Google, what is Google Developer Student Clubs?
Why don't we invite our GDSC student leaders?
I welcome you all to the Inauguration Commemoration Program of Google Developer Students Club CIT Kokrajhar. My name is Gazanti Narzari and I will be your host for today's event. So on behalf of the core team of GDSC CIT Kokrajhar, I extend a hearty welcome to all of you. So what is GDSC? It stands for Google Developer Students Club, which are a university-based community groups for students interested in Google developer technologies. This year, 2023, marks the establishment of a GDSC chapter at our institute, offering us an invaluable opportunity to be a part of a community that fosters continuous learning, skill enhancement, and meaningful connections with industry experts. This supportive environment paves the way for all of us to learn new things while engaging with like-minded peers and professionals from the tech industry. First of all, let us give a big round of applause to our main lead of GDSC CIT Kokrajhar, Pradeep Kumar Pandya, for his outstanding efforts in making this event possible. So first we have the lighting of the lamp ceremony. So I request our Head of Department of CAC, Amitabh Nag Sir, Faculty Advisor, Dean, Alumni, External Relations, Dr. Pranav Kumar Singh Sir, Assistant Professor, Bikramjit Chaudhary Sir, Assistant Professor, Pankaj Pratap Singh Sir, to help us in lighting of the lamp and grace the occasion with their knowledge and before this auspicious event. Thank you so Thank you so Thank you so much. Now I welcome the Head of Department of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Dr. Amitav Nag, to share with us some few words of encouragement.
Good evening. This is another club, right? Google Developer Student Club. Today is 28th August. If I am not wrong, in this month, August 1996, Larry Page and his co-founder, they both first time launched Google website in Stanford University. That time, their website, their search engine consumes half of the bandwidth of Stanford website. Now we can't imagine a day, sorry, not a day, even a minute without Google, right? If Google's website, Google server shut down, then what will happen? Our entire life will be what? Dark, right? Nothing will be there. So, Google obviously in means world computer science field, it occupies maximum part. Without Google, now today's smartphone and all are really valueless. 90% operating systems, mobile operating systems, are basically based on Android based, right? So I want to tell you one thing, that Larry Page, he was a student of Stanford University, though his father was also a professor of computer science department. But Larry Page basically joined in a different project with one of the other faculty of computer science department. So in his master's, obviously that Google search engine was the master project of Larry Page. So what happened when Larry Page joined? Then everybody knows Larry Page because his father was a professor. So when Larry Page was in class 2, so that time he started computer. He was playing with computer. So means everyone knows Larry Page because his father was one of the famous computer science professors. So when he joined, so his guide, his supervisor, gave him the task to develop a search engine. That time search engines are there, but that are not working properly. So that search engine was given to him. That task given to him. Larry Page and his co-founder of Google. So both of them. So they started work. And so from 1994 to 1996, I mean 1996, in this month, August month. August is also important for us, right? 15th August. So this is also important for world history because Google first time launched in there. So what I want to tell you, one thing, Google's CEO, he is an Indian, right? Sundar Pichai, you all know, right? Though he is not a computer science student, his background is metallurgy, right? From IIT Kharagpur. But he simply in 1994, 2004, when he joined, when he appeared for interview, that day was 1st April. So during interview, when means that interviewer means what interview, so they asked, they told him that we are going to launch means a product that is known as Gmail, and you will be the manager of that. So Sundar Pichai, he thought that they are basically joking with him because that day was the 1st April. Okay, but anyway, now we know everything about Google. So Google going to launch their one product that competes that ChatGPT, the Google Bard. Okay, so this many features are there. Suppose I just one interview just a few days back I saw one interview of Sundar Pichai. He told that in Gmail one feature they are going to add, that suppose one flight cancel mail is you received. Now you want to just reply them that okay, means what is the procedure of that get back that return money, that refund money and all. So means you can directly, there will be an option through that option that if you click there that I want to choose that automatic option. If you click there, then automatically one mail will be written on behalf of you and sent to that flight company that I want refund, what is the procedure and all. So nothing need to be done by you. Everything will be done by Google, that Gmail option. Okay, so that's kind of thing are going to be add in our Google Mail facility. What I want to tell you, it's really nice to see that this now probably 5 almost, right? So after 4:30, after all the classes, that more than 150 students are present. So it's really a good thing for this club. Okay, this club culture introduced in last year. Obviously, that our Pranav sir, he basically planned this. This is basically all the club and this kind of thing. He basically planned to introduce in CIT, and now we have many clubs, and this Google developed per student clubs. So probably most of the students are here due to this term Google, right? So because everyone wants to associate with this Google developer students club, but all over world, if I am not wrong, more than 2,000 2,000 clubs, 2,000 organizations. They have this Google Developer Students Club. In Northeast India, I don't know how many Google Students Developer Clubs are there. If probably CIT will be second position because only one club, IIT Guwahati is there. So CIT will be in the second position. But club formation is one thing. Main important part is to organize different event. Okay, that's the important part. Okay, we can form a club, but club activities are important point. Okay, through this club, there is a traditional education system that you have to follow for to earn your degree, to earn your BTech, diploma, MTech, this degree. But beside that, you have to do something to add more skill in your CV, so that when you appear for the interview, that time means that interviewer, he will find, so okay, along with your traditional degree, you have some other part. Along with your traditional degree, BTech degree or diploma degree or MTech degree, you have something else, which will create a difference between you and other people. This club can give such type of facility. Through this club, you can earn more skills. You can add more skills in your CV. And that is important. All people are basically shouting, oh, technology will destroy all the jobs, will not create any jobs. No. When first steam engine came, that time people also think same way, that this technology will basically reduce the job scope. But no. When computer came, that time also people thought all jobs are gone. No. So technology New technology will come after ChatGPT, after AI development. Many papers, I have seen many papers interview that they are saying that now jobs, there will be a problem in job market. No, first 2-3 years, okay, there will be a problem. But after that, to run those technologies successfully, correctly, and develop new ideas, that means skilled persons are highly needed. Only the skilled person will be allowed to join in such big companies. Obviously, Google Bard and other will also going to launch something new. So to do them means for more adding more features. Okay, so new employees are needed. So my suggestion, you people should, means through this club and other clubs as well, you just involve in so many activities, develop your skills so that no one can reject you. And in future, from this room, from this college, many Sundar Pichai will be in different companies. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we have a presentation by our GDSC lead, Pradeep Kumar Manjiar, to give us more on what GDSC is and what it is about. Please welcome him with a round of applause.
Thank you everyone for coming here, and now I will be explaining what is GDSC and what is in it for you, and how will we join in the club and our core team members, and all the upcoming events that we are going to organize in the academic years, and we will be revealing our team members also and everything. So let's get into the slide. So first question is what is GDSC? All of them have asked what is GDSC. Now everyone answer is here now. GDSC is stand for Google's Developer Student Clubs. It's a college-based community group, and who are interested in using Google's technologies like Google Maps, Google Assistant, and many more. Flutter, web development, Chrome we were using. So this is our college Google's developer technologies only. So GDSC is one of the largest student community in the world, and this community is not restricted to only one domain. We have multiple domains like AI, ML, Flutter, web development, AR, VR, UI, UX, and many more. Now, what is in it for you? मतलब आप लोग के लिए यहाँ पे क्या है, आप लोग क्या सीखेंगे इस क्लब से? पहला हम लोग सेमिनार्स, बूट कैंप्स और हैकाथन वगैरह ऑर्गेनाइज कराएंगे. फिर उसमें आप लोग को सर्टिफिकेट्स, स्वैग्स वगैरह वो आप लोग को गूगल्स प्रोवाइड कराएगा. तो गूगल्स का स्वैग्स मुझे कॉलेज में दिखना चाहिए, यूज़ करना है, गूगल्स दिखना चाहिए, ऐसा हो. तो फिर आप लोग का इसमें यू कैन गेट अ चांस टू डेवलप योर स्किल्स एंड टीम वर्क एंड लीडरशिप स्किल्स ऑल्सो एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स. तो मैंने बोला तो मुझे स्वैग्स वगैरह सब कैंपस में दिखना चाहिए, यूज़ कर रहा है गूगल्स क्लाउड का ये सब. तो मुझे जैसे हमारे क्लब में भी कुछ लीड्स है जो गूगल क्लाउड पे कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो टी शर्ट पहन रहे हैं. मुझे बहुत लोगों का टी शर्ट चाहिए. हाँ सच में अच्छा लगता है गूगल्स का टी शर्ट पहनने में. Now revealing our upcoming events. So let's get. So overview of an upcoming years. Now we are in August. Now September is coming on. We will be starting with the Flutter cloud computing. Our lead. Am I audible? No. Swaptika will be explaining and will be leading the cloud computing. So he will be doing a program. He will be announcing also a special something for you for the CIT student only. फिर दिसंबर में हम लोग एंड्रॉयड का ऊपर प्रोग्राम होगा, और जनवरी में AIML के ऊपर प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, और मार्च में फ्लटर के ऊपर, और मई में वेब डेवलपमेंट का ये प्रोग्राम शेड्यूल्ड है. इसके बीच में हम लोग का और डोमेन्स है, AR VR है, फिर UI UX है और कुछ कुछ जो गेम डेवलपमेंट या कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसे वो अभी फिक्स नहीं हुआ कौन सा कब कौन सा मंथ में करना है, पर ये हम लोग का फिक्स शेड्यूल है, ये हम लोग का इवेंट होने जा रहा है फिक्स। ये इतना इवेंट ये इवेंट का सारा चीज़ हम लोग खुद नहीं पढ़ा रहे, गूगल्स का जो एक्सपर्ट है वो लोग आप लोग को पढ़ाएगा ऐसा। तो ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, जैसे आप जैन में जा रहे हैं तो सॉल्यूशन चैलेंज है, ये बेसिकली एक गूगल सॉल्यूशन चैलेंज है, वो गूगल्स की तरफ से इनिशिएट किया हुआ है, मतलब जो गूगल्स टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके हम लोग को प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है। उस प्रोजेक्ट में मोटिव यही है, जो हम लोग का जो रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम है वो सबको सॉल्व करना है और कम्युनिटी को देना है, ऐसे सर्व करना है। तो इसके लिए एक पहले कम्युनिटी कॉलेज बेस्ड कंपटीशन होगा, उसके बाद फिर एक ग्रुप सेलेक्ट होगा कॉलेज के लिए, वो हम लोग को कॉलेज को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, फिर रीजनल वाइज कम्पीट करेगा, फिर ग्लोबल वाइज करेगा। जो टॉप 50 में आएगा उन लोगों को गूगल्स एक्सपर्ट से उन लोगों को मेंटरशिप भी स्किल्स मिलेगा और फिर स्वैग टीचर से मिलेगा जो टॉप 50 में आ रहा है। टॉप 30 में भी ऐसे समथिंग है और कुछ कुछ प्राइजेस वगैरह भी मिलेगा एक्स्ट्रा। और टॉप 3 में जो आ रहा है तो उन लोगों को $3000 to $4000 ऐसे प्राइस मिलेगा टॉप 3 ग्रुप्स को, और ग्रुप्स का मेंबरशिप 4 ही रहेगा। तो मुझे कॉलेज से एक ग्रुप एकदम बेस्ट एक चुन के मुझे देना है, ऐसे GDSC CITK के जो रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। तो आप लोग अभी से ही सोच सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट क्या बनाना है, ऐसे हर बार का अलग अलग ये प्रोजेक्ट का ये रहता है। इस बार जैसे लास्ट टाइम 2023 के लिए जो हम लोग का यूएन का 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर उसके ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह बनाना था, तो उसका भी अनाउंसमेंट प्रोसेस चल रहा है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है। तो वो लोग आप लोग देख सकते हैं हिस्ट्री में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स वगैरह लोग यूज़ कर रहा था, जैसे इस टाइम 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट यूज़ किया। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी आप लोगों को एक्टिव रहना है, मुझे अच्छा पार्टिसिपेंट चाहिए, हाई कंपटीशन चाहिए उसके लिए भी। और हम लोग का टेक्निकल टीम्स जो कौन सा डोमेन है में ये है, जैसे एक हम लोग का वेब डेवलपमेंट है, वेब डेवलपमेंट आकाशवाणी लीड कर रहा है, और फिर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का सोफ्टी का लीड करेगा, फ्लटर का विश्वजीत तक लीड कर रहा है, एयरफेयर के लिए इनोसंदा है 4th ईयर से सब, और फिर UI/UX के लिए ऋतुराज है 3rd ईयर से, और AIML के लिए ध्रुवजीत है 4th ईयर से। और नॉन टेक्निकल टीम्स जैसे हम लोग का ये क्रिएटिव एंड कंटेंट है, दीपांकर देख रहा है, मीडिया मैनेजमेंट दीप बोर्डो देख रहा है 3rd ईयर से, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के लिए माहूदा है 4th ईयर से, और हम लोग का 2nd ईयर से भी एंगेजमेंट है, वो लोग कोऑर्डिनेटर कर रहा है और डोमेन से अलग अलग। तो मैं सबका नाम सब रिवील कर रहा हूँ कौन क्या टीम में और क्या क्या कर रहा है। तो नेक्स्ट ये दिस इज आवर लीड्स बेसिकली, you can see the face and recognize. Next slide, coordinators. They are from 3rd years and 2nd years, and from 1st years also they have volunteers also. हम लोग का टीम में 20 से 21 तक मेंबर्स है। तो आप लोग कुछ भी GDSC के कुछ क्वेरीज वगैरह हो तो आप लोग उसे लीड्स को देख रहे हैं, आप लोग पहचाने। हम आवर फैकल्टी एडवाइजर सर डॉक्टर प्रणव कुमार सिंह सर एंड ब्रिकांती चौधरी सर, थैंक यू सर फॉर द सपोर्टिव। ब्रिकांती सर स्पेशली सर हम लोग के साथ बहुत ही हेल्प कर रहा है, प्रणव सर भी बहुत ही कोऑर्डिनेट किया, बहुत हेल्प किया इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज कराने के लिए। सो क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल बी जॉइनिंग आवर क्लास। सो पहला कोई भी क्रोम में आप लोग जाएं और gdsc.community सर्च करें, आप लोग को सर्च बार एक मिलेगा, वहाँ पे बस आप जस्ट टाइप सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी कोकराझार और सिंपली टाइप कोकराझार, यू विल गेट आवर कॉलेज एंड बाय क्लिकिंग इट यू विल विजिटिंग आवर वेब पेज। सो उस पे जाके आप लोग को ज्वाइन बटन मिलेगा, इसे ज्वाइन करना है, और वो ज्वाइन करते आप लोग को सारा कोई भी इवेंट हम लोग अनाउंसमेंट करना है, हम लोग अपकमिंग इवेंट में डालेंगे, आपको मेल नोटिफाई होगा अपकमिंग इवेंट क्या है, सारा डिटेल्स मिलेगा, कहाँ हो रहा है, ऑनलाइन हो रहा है, ऑफलाइन हो रहा है, हाइब्रिड हो रहा है, कैसा है। जैसे हम लोग का ये इवेंट हाइब्रिड हो रहा है, यूट्यूब पे भी हम लोग लाए थे और यहाँ पे भी ऑफलाइन हम लोग का हो रहा है। तो ज्वाइन करने के लिए ये आप सबको ज्वाइन करना है, ये ऐसा नहीं ये सिर्फ CIT के लिए रेस्ट्रिक्ट है, बाहर का भी कॉलेज का हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, बाहर का भी कॉलेज का कुछ स्टूडेंट लोग हैं, मैं जिधर से हूँ उधर से भी कुछ मेरे दोस्त लोग ज्वाइन किया है। तो सब लोग अपने कम्युनिटी में कोई भी टेक बोर्ड में कुछ काम कर रहा है वो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, क्लब को आप ऐसे बता सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं। करेंटली मैं जस्ट अभी स्पीच देने से पहले मैं देखा तो क्लब में मेंबर्स हम लोग का अप्रोक्सीमेटली अभी 192 है। अभी हम लोग अच्छा है, बाकी 200 चाहिए, मुझे 400-500 चाहिए क्लब में मेंबर्स चाहिए, और सबको एंगेज करना है। ऐसे नहीं जो इंडिविजुअली सब लोग अपना अपना कर रहा है, ऐसे कम्युनिटी हम लोग डेवलप करना है पूरा CIT को। सो वी हैव ए बिग अनाउंसमेंट हम लोग का वन ऑफ द लीड विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट इज द अनाउंसमेंट, हाउ विल बी द प्रोसीड्यूर for the announcement. Stay tuned with us for today and announcement के लिए हम आप लोग को एक रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, ये QR केवल ये है कोड, आप लोगों को ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है और इस ग्रुप के थ्रू आप लोगों को सारा CIT में क्या कुछ CIT में स्पेशल प्रोग्राम आ रहा है गूगल्स करवाएगा, तो वो इस ग्रुप के थ्रू आप लोगों को सारा फर्दर डिटेल्स मिलेगा और मेल के थ्रू तो मिलेगा, पर ये स्पेशल हमारा CIT के लिए प्राइवेट होगा, मतलब ये ग्रुप है ये। तो पहले हम लोग फर्स्ट CIT स्टूडेंट को देंगे, यदि कुछ अवेलेबल बचा तो फिर बाहर को देना है, ऐसा है। तो ये सबको ज्वाइन कर सकता है। तो लास्ट रो एक स्कैन हो पा रहा है लास्ट तक, जूम करो, थोड़ा जूम करो। ज्वाइन हो पा रहा है, ज्वाइन हो पा रहा है, इस ग्रुप पे कौन है? सब लोग ज्वाइन हो पा रहे हैं ग्रुप में? So thank you from my side, and our leads will be explaining what the domains specific, जैसे आप लोग डोमेन में जैसे बताया, पर आप लोग को उस डोमेन में कैसे इंटरेस्ट लेना है, तो वो सब आप लोग को क्लब में सारा मतलब डोमेन लोग इनलीड अपना एक्सप्लेन करेंगे उस डोमेन में क्या है कैसे करना है। तो जैसे हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर होता है ना, जो कैसे कौन सा डोमेन चूज़ कर बोलते हैं भैया कौन सा डोमेन चूज़ करना है, तो आप लोग उसमें ऐसे हर डोमेन में मतलब प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह करें, इवेंट होगा, आप देखिए उसमें फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर के लिए स्पेशली जो कौन सा डोमेन आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, प्रोजेक्ट करें, आपको पता चलेगा ना मेरा इंटरेस्ट कौन सा फील्ड में है। तो आप लोग इस टाइप से एक क्लब में ज्वाइन होते हैं, सारा डोमेन आपका क्या है, मेन फोकस किस पे इंटरेस्टेड है, आप लोग चूज़ कर सकते हैं। और थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर के लिए हम लोग सारा चीज़ मिल के कम्युनिटी से गूगल्स का रिसोर्स यूज़ करके करना है। जैसे अमिताभ सर ने बोला जो क्लब्स को यहाँ पे आके सबको ज्वाइन करना है। इस क्लब को ऐसा नहीं जो ये मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ला रहा हूँ CIT में, फर्स्ट टाइम है ये, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी आना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं जो ये एक बार आ गया तो हमेशा रहेगा, नहीं है, हर बार फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से किसी को अप्लाई करना है, मेरे जगह पर रिफिल करना है कोई। मैं एक हर ईयर आता है, मार्च या अप्रैल में आता है, वो एग्जैक्ट मुझे मंथ अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है। तो सब लोग को अप्लाई करना है और ऐसे मेरा रेफरल भी मुझे मिलेगा ऐसे नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी को पास ऑन करने के लिए वो। तो वो इस सबको क्लब को ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इनॉग्रेशन हो रहा है, पर सबको ये लीड चलाना है ये क्लब को। नेक्स्ट टाइम भी रहना चाहिए क्लब में, मैं जब तक रहूँ पता रहना चाहिए क्लब खत्म नहीं हो रहा है। मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ पर ये क्लब बहुत ही अच्छा रिसोर्सेस हम लोग को गूगल्स देगा। बाकी बड़े बड़े कॉलेज में भी GDSC पहले से है, पर हम लोग का CIT में फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा है, तो इसे कंटिन्यू करना है, हाँ चेन ब्रेक नहीं करना है। सब लोग को नेक्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर इस ग्रुप को देखो कैसे चल रहा है, नेक्स्ट टाइम हमेशा रहना चाहिए क्लब। बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, GDSC हम लोग को बहुत ही रिसोर्सेज वगैरह देगा और बहुत सारा ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम, कैसे इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज कराना है, सारा टीम वर्क कैसे चलाना है, टीम से कैसे बात करना है, सब चीज़ आप लोग को सीखने के लिए मिलेगा। सो थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय साइड।
Thank you so much, Pradeep. I hope everyone has joined the group. Now I would like to request Faculty Advisor, Dean Alumni and External Affairs, Dr. Pranav Kumar Singh sir, to enlighten us with his words.
Very good evening, respected Head of the Department, Computer Science, our faculty members, Dr. Pankaj Pratap Singh sir, Devikranjit Chaudhary sir, the core committee members of the GDSC and all participants who are present in this seminar hall. First of all, congratulations goes to you all on this occasion, inaugurating this chapter here in the CIT GDSC and bringing this here and onboarding you all to this particular club. I'm very happy with the progress which is going on, and so far we have these 13 clubs from different departments. Okay, a new club has been added for entrepreneurship development cell from the entrepreneurship development cell, which is EDC club. We have added it today, and they are also they want to organize some event on 31st. Most probably they will be doing it. So after like reforming this club structure, because we just started in a very informal way last year, and then people started connecting, and then people started contributing, organizing something. Now this year when we reform and then these new clubs, like they joined us, and I can see the energy now this year. Like I have seen that, okay, robotics club, they approached me today, and you won't believe that, okay, they are going to participate in Techniques event in the IT Guwahati, and some of the component that they want to demonstrate, some of the prototype that they want to demonstrate, some of the components are not available here. One of the member, he visited Kolkata last week to bring that component so that he can assemble and create a prototype. One of the member, he visited to AEC Guwahati to bring out another component which he can assemble and make their board. So you can see the energy that they have. So I think they are going to have an orientation program tomorrow. They will be demonstrating the different prototypes that they have created. I have not asked them that you do it. I have just asked all the clubs that there should be some activities, there should be some participation, there should be some representation in different institutions of the country. And now you can see like what they are doing. So it is this group of students who are self-motivated and who wants to do something. We are just there in support. And we as a faculty, we cannot run these clubs until unless we have a support from you, until unless you people want to learn. If I force you to learn, then you will not learn. Like you came on yourself today, that is a great example of self-motivation. Okay, so if you have that zeal and you want to learn, then definitely it will be a success. But if somebody is forcing you and you don't want to learn, then nobody can teach you. Okay, because at the end, as our HOD sir mentioned, as our Pradeep mentioned, that when you go out of this institute, what extra is there in your resume, what extra you have learned from the institute, that matters a lot. I have seen people switching from mechanical to IT sector, but because AI is everywhere, right? And you can see the penetration of this technology, Google everywhere. They are not restricted to search engine, they are not restricted to mail services, they are not restricted to Google Workspace. They are investing into AI, they are investing into quantum computer. You might have seen on social media the quantum computer created by the Google. The quantum technology they are investing. They are investing a huge money in AI for healthcare, AI for education. Okay, लोग कहते हैं ना, what sir said, what about this chat GPT and AI? Will there be any job left? Okay. So people say, one of my friends, he keeps saying this, there are many things which are unexplored. The space is unexplored. The underwater is unexplored. What if you find something very unusual mineral under the water which can change the entire economy? What if I can deploy a robot inside the underwater? It goes there, brings something which is very valuable for the country. What if I send a rocket in the space and it goes there, it goes on the moon and it brings something which can change the entire economy? Why India is investing into space? You know, the space industry is driving most of the countries. People think, "Arey, itna paisa laga ke Chandrayaan, why they sent?" You know, there is a great contribution of this space exploration, and it is driving the economy of most of the countries. So if one thing is like vanishing or one thing is outdating, new opportunities are being created. So AI you can use in healthcare, AI you can use in any sector you imagine. Like UNDP has set a goal, SDG has set a goal, 17 goals they have, कि हम सोसाइटी को कैसे अपलिफ्ट करेंगे with the help of technology intervention. There are problems around, there are problems everywhere, there are problems, I can see. But how to fix it? How to use the technology in a proper way? Can I bring a solution? If you think Google, they think innovative, nothing else. There is a problem in the society, how can I fix it? Google think that, okay, I take a picture of your retinal scan, I do a retinal scan and I can tell you what disease you have. I'll develop a prototype which scans your eye and it can tell what kind of disease you have or what kind of disease you are going to have in future. Are you suffering with diabetes? Or you have some other disease? Is there any probability of having cancer tomorrow? So this is where they are investing. It's all about innovation. Okay. You take any sector, take industry, take healthcare. There is a huge opportunity. One of our alumni, he came few days back, and he is there in IT Madras working with a assistant professor. He told that if you know Python and R, and in his department there is a 100% placement to the students who knows Python and R. Irrespective of the department, irrespective of your background, from where you belong to, whether you are I, whether you are civil, whether you are BCom, but if you know the Python and R, you know the AI, then there is a big opportunity waiting for you. Only thing is, you need to learn how to apply, where to apply, and why to apply. What problem I am solving. You take any sector, you take finance, you take healthcare, you take education, there's a lot of scope, lot of data being generated. As I told in my previous talk, everything is going to be smart. Okay, your body itself is carrying at least maybe after 1 or 2 years, when there is a 5G everywhere, when there is a 6G everywhere, you in your pocket will be carrying more than 20 sensors. All those sensors are collecting some data. Your phone itself has 10 sensors, more than 10 sensors. One wearable like smartwatch, one more wearable if you have a smart shoe, it will capture 25 data from your body. There are more than 25 sensors collecting data, and all these data are going into the cloud. So we need people who can analyze the data and suggest some solutions for the people. Okay. So there is a huge demand for people who are familiar with Google platforms, who are familiar with the Google technologies, who knows how to use TensorFlow, right? Who knows how to use TinyML, who knows how to use federated learning, who knows how to apply AI, who knows how to code in Python, who knows how to analyze the data using R. So there is a huge opportunity, I'm telling you. As I said, it's not about just starting the club, it's all about conducting the activities. And I always encourage the coordinators and the conveners that, okay, what after orientation that you should demonstrate. I want that this kind of participation should be there in the activities, not only for this orientation, not only for the membership. If you believe that just joining a GDSC, getting a badge, getting a card will help me, no. This platform can take you to the their Google office in USA. If you do well here, if you participate there in competition, score well, then you can take an internship in the Google, I'm telling you. And if you get an internship in Google, then there are high chances of getting a job in Google. So from this club, this runway, you can take the flight and join the Google. Only thing is, you have to be active, you have to be familiar, and your participation should be there. हमने क्या देखा है trend? You come into the orientation, but you don't come into the activity. Your participation is not there. Okay, आप चाहे जिस भी डिपार्टमेंट से हो, please make sure that you are present when there are some activities. अगर आप किसी से मिलते हो, it is the theme of this club is code, connect and contribute. Code, connect and contribute. When you come, you connect with people. When you come, then you will learn how to code. When you connect, then you learn how to contribute and where to contribute, using which kind of technology I can contribute. Okay, so this mantra you should know. Connect, first come, join the events, join the activities, learn how to code. Learn how can I code in Python? It's very simple. Okay, learn how to contribute. How can I make a very small project using Python, using AI and ML? Can I make it? There are data sets available. Kaggle organizes competition. Can you take part into the Kaggle competitions? So please be an active participant of all the ongoing activities or all the planned activities that different clubs are going to have. They have already planned. Some of them are going to participate in different institutions. Some of the clubs are going to organize certain events. Please do participate in those. That is my humble request to you all. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now let us have our faculty advisor, Assistant Professor Bikramjit Chaudhary, sir, to share his words of encouragement. Please welcome him to
Thank you. So, good evening, everyone. My colleagues and Dean Alumni and Externalization, Pranab sir, and my dear students. So first of all, I'd like to welcome you all to the inauguration and orientation of this GDSC club. And I'd like to thank Pranab sir for taking the initiative of all the clubs, including this club, and especially Pradeep, who took a lot of efforts for bringing this club to CIT Kokrajhar. So I will not say much, just I'd like to request you all to make the best use of this club, as I think you have also understood that the contents of this club will be designed by the experts from, I think, Google. So obviously the quality will be far better, isn't it? So make use of the resources, take active participations, and the Google means what? You are going to compete in the international level. Already Pradeep has mentioned that the upcoming timeline where you may have seen that some competitions are there, some events are there. Take participate, plan. Simply enrolling in the club is not going to be enough. Already we have seen that close to 200 members have enrolled in the club, right? But obviously out of that only I think few of you will be an active participant. So that active participation is the key. You have to participate actively, you have to explore the resources. Only being a member of the club is not going to help you, is not going to teach you, right? You have to put your efforts, take part in the club activities, use the resources, take help from the core team members. We are also here to guide you whenever or whatever way we can. And as Pradeep has also mentioned one key thing, that this club is only for 1 year, so next year again someone have to take the lead, again you have to reapply. So I believe that this club will continue in CIT not only for 1 year, for say next many years, and we'll very soon see some you can say team from CIT to be a winner in some national or international level and bring laurels to this, not only to this club, to CIT as a whole. So wishing to see you, this GDSC club flourish and bring a very good name to CIT. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we will have the leads of GDSC Kokrajhar, who are going to help us dig deeper into their respective domains. First, we have Akash Vanik for web development.